Hi everyone, how are you my dear children? Hope you all are safe and fine. In our last video lecture, we have discussed about advanced sunrise and delayed sunset. Hope you have understood the lecture. Today we are going to see another interesting phenomena of atmospheric refraction, that is when the sun appears oval. During sunrise and sunset, sun appears little bit oval, little bit flattened at the surface, but it always appears circular at noon. Why this? Let us discuss. In last class, we have discussed because of the atmospheric refraction when sun is below the horizon line, still we can see the sun. Okay? As the effect is strongest near the horizon, you know, when this effect, shifting of this position, apparent shifting of the position is strongest just near the horizon. That means when object is lower in the sky, the shifting of the position of the object will be more. The shifting of position of the object will be more as we go lower in the sky. See here, shifting of the sun will be here, but see the top part and the bottom part. This bottom part of the sun is lower in the sky as compared to the top part. So that means this bottom part will shift little bit more like this. Okay, this bottom part will shift little bit more or appears to be little bit higher in the sky than the top part. You can say technically there will be unequal bending of light. So sun appears to be oval or flattened at the time of sunrise and sunset. At noon, what will happen? At noon, the sun is overhead. So the rays of light is now perpendicular. So the rays of light of the sun enters the earth's surface normally. Therefore, there will be no refraction or no bending of light when it passes through the earth atmosphere. Hence, the sun appears circular at noon. Hope it is clear. If any doubt, please leave a comment in comment section box so that I can address your doubt. Thank you for watching.